today down here at the Townsville City Council forecourts. We're checking out our new mobile libraries for our Townsville City libraries. We've got a couple of them hidden in the streets over the next few weeks. The van can actually get to better places for the community as well. And we can really target what type of books and information we have inside them. So we're always taking that feedback and efficiencies, trying to get the right stuff done. So example, we're changing the time for one of the mobile vans because that's what the residents have said is easier for them to get to. Not just our elderly and our vulnerable people, all of our youngsters, especially at our first 5 Forever play dates, our messy play in the park, we'll have our vans along, and they are so popular during those mornings. Hundreds of people get through them, hundreds of books are hired from our vans, and we hope to see hundreds more keep on getting used. So please, if you're out in the community, be sure to keep a lookout because they're definitely going to be out and about, and check out our new mobile vans.